Most airlines allow one personal item, such as a purse, small backpack, or briefcase, and one slightly larger carry-on item, as long as one fits under the seat in front of you and the other in the overhead bin. In most cases, these items cannot exceed 18 inches by 14 inches by 8 inches. For domestic flights, you can pay to check one bag, with fees ranging from $15 to $50 each way and an average of about $30. Most airlines limit checked bag dimensions to no more than 62 inches and a weight of no more than 50 pounds. If your bag exceeds these requirements, additional fees may apply. For international flights, the carry-on allowance is the same, but you're generally allowed one checked bag at no extra cost, same size and weight. Any additional bags will incur fees, and airlines can be strict about weight limits. First class or business class passengers may be allowed up to 3 free checked bags at 70 pounds each. Please note that your end destination, time of year, and the airline may impact your baggage allowance, so always verify directly with the airline. Additionally, if you'll be taking smaller regional flights during your trip, you may face stricter weight allowances, often around 40 pounds, and these regional rules might apply unless those flights are directly attached to your U.S. itinerary.